Let's do it. Let's do it. This is the last one that I'm gonna do today, and it's 7:15 already. I'm not sure how long this video has gone, but I'll try to complete this. Okay, I have to read this, no? The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. That is nice. Dr. Caesars. Nautilus developers are actively working on one of the project repositories that is here. They were doing some testing and created few test branches. Now they want to clean those test branches. Below are the requirements that have been shared with the DevOps team on storage server in Stratos DC. Delete a branch named this from this .git repo. Okay, should not be a problem. Okay, in the storage server it says, so I have to go into NATASHA at the rate. I'm not going to use the IP this time. Where is Natasha? Natasha, here is the server name. I'm going to use the server name. Okay, I had to SSH. SSH. Oh, yes. Password is BLA. Oh, no, not A. At the rate KW. I'm logged in. I have to go here. I am here. Okay. I just need to remove a branch that is called this. Let's see the command for deleting git branch. Git DELETE git branch delete and the branch name. Git branch delete. I want to check the branches first. Git list branches. Okay, I'm gonna see all the branch names first. Git branch -a. Oh, first I have to add this again. Now let's repeat the above command. Okay, I have to remove this. I am already in this. I need to change to origin master first because wait a minute. I am already in this. No, I have to change it from here. Otherwise, how could I have deleted it? Okay, git checkout branch name master. Unable to create. I'm gonna do sudo sudo. Password is BL@KW. Now I'm gonna check the branch names again. I'm out of the branch that I need to delete, and what I'm gonna do is just remove that. So git what was it? Let me see my clipboard. Git branch delete, right? Git branch delete. Which one? This one. Could not delete, permission denied. I'm gonna do it instead with sudo thank you so much. Let's check the branches. Git branch -a. It is deleted. Check it. Yes, confirm it. We are done. This calls for a celebration. I'm going out to get an ice cream maybe. But yeah, we did all the git challenges now, and I don't know if there is a second version of this, but yeah. Okay, let's see. Git level 1 is completed. Mark complete. Thank you so much. Let me see the curriculum. I have done it. What is it? Oh, there is a platinum mark I have. What does this signify? the platinum one. I have 1 star here as well. Can I see my progress? 1 medals. There are. Okay, I have 0 silver medals. It says. I don't know why. Okay. These many coins. This is my experience. Okay, system administrator. It says. Nice. Do I have something in timeline? No. Do I have something in leaderboard? No. Task review? No. Progress. Okay. Curriculum. Okay. What next? By level. There is level 1. Oh, there is level 2 as well. I didn't know that. Show me the level 2. I cannot see the level 2. Hello. Okay, there are courses. There are a few courses. Level 1, level 2, Ansible only. And can I have level 2? Level 2. I have a Git level 2 as well. I'm not gonna do it right now. Should I? I'm gonna add it. But okay. What is in level 4? Level 4. There's a Git level 4 as well. I think there are gonna be a lot of videos now. Okay, in the next video we are gonna do the git install and create repository, git manage remotes, git remote. Not interested in that. I'm gonna do Docker next time. Okay, I'll get to Git another time. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you if you watched till the end. I'm not sure how many people stayed, but if you stayed, that's thanks. Thanks from Goku as well. He's angry, by the way. I don't know why, but yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.